Okay, there's many chili peppers you can actually use in all the different types of southwestern chili or Mexican chili. Okay, so the chilies we're starting with are, as you see, they start out dry like this. These are from New Mexico chilies that were fresh, of course, and they dry them. And there's seeds in there, and there's the ribs that go along with them. Now, how hot they can be is if they make the powder, they'll take out some of the seeds or in the ribs for the real mild, or they'll leave them all in for the real hot stuff. So what we're going to do is a mixture of the two today, because we don't want this to be overpoweringly hot. So we're going to do mild chili powder from New Mexico, as you see here. And we're also going to use some hot. Now it looks like you can't tell the difference between the two, but you will be able to tell it when you're eating the chili. Okay, this is a Pasilla chili. This is very mild. You've probably seen it or eaten it with chili relleno before, but it leaves a great taste to your meal. And then we're going to use some Serrano chilies, really high on the Scoville scale of heat units that we use, and some jalapenos, which are a little bit lighter flavor, still really spicy. And then we're going to use some salsa verde that's in a can, and we're going to use some chilies that are diced and just very mild. Flavors are going to make a big difference in your chili.